Ever sent a WhatsApp message and felt lost in the digital void, seeing the dreaded gray ticks but never the reassuring blue? Let's decode why your WhatsApp messages are seen, but not showing those blue ticks and how to fix it in under 90 seconds. First, let's dive into your privacy settings. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner for the menu, then go to Settings, followed by Account, and finally, Privacy. See that Read Receipts option. If it's toggled off, you won't send or receive blue ticks. Make sure it's turned on to see when others have read your messages. Keep in mind that if you turn it off, you also won't see when others read your messages. Next, let's ensure your messages are actually being delivered. Two gray ticks mean the message has been delivered to the recipient's phone, but they haven't read it yet. A single gray tick means the message hasn't even reached their phone, suggesting a possible internet issue on either end. Sometimes, notifications are muted. If they have muted your chats, they might be opening the app without actually seeing the notification from you, and that would result in no blue ticks. Sadly, we need to address the elephant in the room: blocking. If someone has blocked you, your messages will only show one gray tick, and you'll never see blue ticks. Try having a mutual contact message that person to see if they respond. They could also be reading your messages from the notification bar or as a pop-up, which marks the message as read without triggering the blue ticks. As a last resort, try restarting your phone or reinstalling WhatsApp. And there you have it. Hopefully, these tips have helped you solve the mystery of the missing blue ticks. Now you can get back to communicating with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.